Hi, I'm Amanda with ExpertVillage. In this clip, we'll add the breadcrumbs and the seasonings to the food processor and we'll pulse it all together. So we'll start with the breadcrumbs. I'm going to add half a cup of breadcrumbs here. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. And half a teaspoon of ground cumin. One half of a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And we'll add half a teaspoon of the Tabasco sauce. And then finally 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And you're going to pulse it all together until it has an oatmeal-like texture. So this looks about right. It's got a nice oatmeal-like texture, as you can see.